is filled with amazing resources. It's covered with vast oceans. Unfortunately, freshwater supplies for people and plants is limited. The planet is resilient, but we need to do better management of the resources so that it will be sustainable for the future. I'm Jan Gould, the founder and owner of RDI, a company that has created an innovative irrigation system that's subsurface and works on organic chemistry. What we're here to talk about today is date palm production. The date palm production has suffered over the past 50 years. There's been a degradation in land use with expanding populations. Diseases and pests have been introduced. Date palms require a lot of water. That's a concern. What can we do about the environmental impact, making successful date palm production in an arid region? RDI has a solution. This is the basic system setup. It operates at a very low pressure. Water consumption is reduced by more than 50% in the trees. They're never underwatered, they're never overwatered. RDI started a pilot project almost 3 years ago in a date palm grove in the UAE. The results of that have been amazing. You don't see anything on the surface, but what's happening is the RDI system is at work underground. Since the RDI system was installed, we've lasted through the super summers and the intense heat of this arid region. And as a result, the trees have a lot of new growth. They are having higher yields, and again, they're using less than half of the water that they had consumed before. Let's take a look at how the system works underground, what you're not seeing. You can see in the ground, the team is uncovering the tubing. The roots are actually growing near the tube. The tube is interacting and talking to the plants to deliver the water and nutrients that it needs. The soil is moist, but it's not saturated. It provides for optimal moisture consistently so the plants are never stressed, optimal growth, health, and maximum production capacity. On this farm, there are more than 26 varieties of date palms. After the successful implementation of the pilot project with the 61 date palms 3 years ago, this farm has been converted to RDI. I'd like to introduce Jawad, one of the technical engineers on the RDI team, who's been working with the individuals on this farm.
After successful trial of date palms, farm owner decide to change this all SDI system to RDI system. Now we have here around more than 900 different variety of trees which have mango, guava, pomegranate, papaya, citrus, lemon, and so on. Even they have multiple types of shrubs, ground covers. Even they are doing landscaping on this RDI system. It means our system RDI, which have multiple applications, even agriculture, landscaping, greenhouses, net houses, anywhere we can implement.
RDI has been on a journey the past 3 years in this desert climate. Since then, we've come a long way. We are starting an agricultural revolution. Thank you for joining the RDI team.